welcome back to the channel. Where are we? You already know. I'm back at the Sweet 16 and I got a very, very special guest today. It's my good buddy Charlie, who is right there and y'all can't see him. What are we doing today? Charlie, look at this ugly mug right there. Look at this guy. Charlie, thanks for being on my video, brother.
Thanks for inviting me.
I appreciate it, man. Guys, this is a very special video, man. My kids call him Uncle Charlie. I've known this dude forever. I call him Barbecue Charlie, Uncle Charlie. I call him anything. He just don't want you to call him late for supper. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
So, Charlie is a barbecue. What do you call yourself?
Guru. I'm a barbecue guru.
Are you a pit master?
I'm not there yet.
All right. We used to call him Pit Master Flex back in the day, but he's a barbecue guy. That's why I call him Barbecue Charlie. But really, he's just my friend. And I got invited to do this Last Chance Cook-Off video, and as soon as I got invited, the first person I thought of was Uncle Charlie, because he is a barbecuing fool, and I love food. Charlie loves food, and I love making videos. So I called him up and said, hey, you ain't been on the channel yet. Why don't you come out, help me out with this video? And that's what we're filming today, man. And I'm so glad you guys are here, but we got a ton of work to do because we got to set up the Wilderness Studio into a proper cooking facility. You know what I'm saying? So Charlie's been over here moving stuff. We're gathering up firewood. I've been going around shooting B-roll. And yeah, we're about to go get a cart full of firewood. We got to set that up for a prop, right?
That's right.
That's what we're doing. We really want you guys to see the work, man, because this stuff is not easy. You want to film a cooking video, man, you want it to look epic, you want it to look awesome. It takes a lot of work, man. We got a lot of time into this thing already, a lot of planning for it. And we're super excited, man. We just wanted to show you guys how it all came together. But I need some more coffee, and we're about to get to work. So
let's get after it.
There's Charlie, and I'm glad y'all got to meet him. Thanks for being here. All right, got my coffee, and we got a bunch of firewood down here on the logging road, so we're gonna go down here and get some of that.
don't want that onion, do you?
Nah, I still got one, thanks.
Oh my God. Guys, me and Charlie are done. I mean, we could not even eat that burger, man. That burger is 1 pound of hamburger meat. We had 12 strips of bacon, so it's 6 strips of thick sliced hickory smoked bacon on the burger, 2 patties, 2 pieces of American cheese, 1 piece of Wisconsin cheddar, secret sweet 16 sauce. I had onions and lettuce. You had onions, lettuce, and tomato.
Right.
Yeah, that's what we had. And guys, we can't even eat it all. Check this out. Guys, man, these burgers were insane. Okay, what were we calling them? Oh yeah, okay. The All-American Stone Fried. Why am I pointing? Hang on, let me start over. I don't know why I point. Why do I point? All right, guys, these burgers were insane, man. The All-American. Oh, that exposure. Hang on. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Ready.
Guys, these burgers were insane, man. The All-American Stone Fried Sweet 16 Double Bacon Cheeseburger, man. I don't know if I can get all those words on the thumbnail, bro. I'm gonna have to write it really, really small. Charlie, thanks so much for coming, brother.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome. We had a blast, man. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so. If you liked the video, give us a big, huge thumbs up, like, and if you got anything to say, drop it in the comment. That's it for today, guys. Appreciate y'all watching the video. Peace. Charlie didn't do the part. I saw the piece in the background. I was like, I'm already happy with this. You know what I'm saying? Like, you ain't got to do that part. Yeah, you got to do that part. That was like pretty smooth. That ending was smooth. You know what I'm saying? I think that was it, don't you?